Welcome back to Just Tech It Easy, your go-to channel for mastering automation and making tech work for you. In this video, we're diving into a must-have solution for any business looking to scale. Lead automation workflow. Whether you're a small business, a growing startup, or an established company, managing leads efficiently is critical to staying competitive. This workflow simplifies lead capture, follow-up, and CRM integration, saving you time and ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand what a lead automation workflow actually is and why it's a game changer for businesses. Picture this. You're getting inquiries from multiple sources, your website, social media, even live events. Managing these manually means leads can get lost, follow-ups can be delayed, and your sales team might miss valuable opportunities. Sounds familiar, right? That's where lead automation workflow comes in. It's a system designed to streamline the entire process of handling leads, from the moment they show interest to the point where they're ready for your sales team to take over. Here's how it works. It captures leads automatically when someone fills out a form on your website or another platform. It triggers actions instantly, like sending an email or adding the lead to your CRM system. And most importantly, it ensures no lead falls through the cracks, giving your team more time to focus on closing deals rather than chasing data. This workflow is invaluable for businesses that rely on timely and efficient lead management. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a B2B service, or a consultancy, automating lead workflows can boost productivity, enhance customer experience, and ultimately drive more revenue. Now that you know what it is and why it matters, let's see how to build one in Zapier. Let's break this down into 4 simple steps. Lead capture, trigger event, email notification, CRM integration. I'll walk you through how to build this step by step in Zapier. Every workflow starts with a lead capture form. This is where potential customers provide their information, like name, email, and company details, via your website or app. The magic begins when someone hits Submit. That's the event Zapier uses to kick off automation. For this purpose, I am going to use interfaces in Zapier to build a form and trigger the workflow using this. Let's build the lead capture form now. Select Interfaces from the menu on the left. Once the page is loaded, click Create and select Forms. Next, select a template of your choice, or you can also select Start from Scratch if you prefer. For this demo, we will continue with the first template. Select the form it just spun up for you and proceed to customize it the way you want it. You can see that it comes with some default fields, which in most cases should be sufficient for a lead capture form. And so, I'm going to make only a few modifications to the form. Click on Page Options to modify the page title and metadata. And just like that, your new form is ready to use. This form is self-hosted by Zapier, so don't forget to copy this link. Let's now go back and create a new Zap. There you go. For the lead automation flow, the submission of the contact form will be the trigger. So let's set that up first. For this demo, we'll set everything up manually. First step is to select the app. Select Interfaces and then select Form Submission Created. Next, under Configure, let's select the form we just created. Continue and test trigger. All right, we are all set. Next, let's proceed to the action. There are two actions we need to set up here: email notifications and adding the lead to your CRM system. Let's do the email notification first. Let's assume that all emails will be triggered from Gmail and the recipients would be your team and the lead. Select Gmail for app and set it up the same way we did in the last video: app, event, and account. Under Configure, select the lead's email ID and add your team's or any other email where you'd like to receive the email notification. Next, let's set up your message. Time to test it. That's it, the email setup is complete. Next, let's set up the CRM integration. For this next step, we need a CRM system to send and save the new lead data captured by our form. If you check in Zapier, it lets us connect with most of the popular CRM systems available in the market. We could either use one of these or use a simple Google Sheet or Excel to capture the lead details. Let's use Zoho CRM for this demo, as I already have an account with them. You are free to use any other CRM of your choice. So, we've selected Zoho CRM for the app. Next, under Action Event, select Create Module Entry. This means that when triggered, a new module entry will be created. For our case, the module would be Lead, which we will configure in the next step. Connect to your Zoho account next and continue. Under Configure tab, select Lead for Module field and Standard for the Layout field. Next, fill up all the relevant fields with values captured in our form: name, phone number, company, etc., etc. Continue and test. And there you go. Just like that, you were able to capture a form submission, trigger an email notification, and update your CRM system with the new information. Next, we publish this Zap, so it will be live and ready to capture any new form submission. Don't forget to test it, though, before publishing. And there you have it. With just a few steps in Zapier, you've automated your lead management process, saving time for both you and your sales team. That wraps up this session. In the next one, we'll take it up a notch and dive into building a much more advanced workflow. No kid gloves this time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, or questions. Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until then, just take it easy.